So again, they have their, what's that, for sweet, same as usual, Acer, sige already Acer, that is from the Mataam. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what inside this one, what kind of sweet. Acer, they give Acer also. Okay, so thank you again. Tingnan mo yung mangga ko. And this one, the dates. This one is very nice dates. See? Ayan o. It's good talaga that one, everyday one. You can eat everyone, yan. Yan yung tinatawag ko na, maybe sister or brother of the coconut tree. The dates, diba? Look, it's very small. The tree is the same of the coconut tree and the palm tree. Diba? Like that one. Okay, so very nice yan. Malambot, mas masarap talaga pag malambot. This one. Yun yung mas mainam. Mas mainam siyang tingnan mo yung mangga ko. Yun na lang yung mangga na natitira. Me and Sir. Yan. At saka yun na yung sweet. Kalahati. Kasi matigas kasi yung iba na. Hindi ko na siya makain dahil matigas. Ito medyo malambot-lambot pa to. Medyo malambot to pag kinakain ko. Diba? Malambot. Ito. Thank you again. Thank you. Baon ni Sisi. Ayun, kinain. Kinain naman niya lahat. Ayan, kinain. Rice with laban. Okay? Yung cucumber lang ang hindi. Yung cheese at saka carrots, ayan. Yung cucumber, hindi niya tinapos lahat. At least kumain na, diba? Okay? At saka yung ayan, laban. Laban ang inaano ko sa rice. Kasi she's always eating the chicken. So, inano ko na lang siya ng ang Oreo, hindi siya kumain sa Oreo kasi siguro busog na. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you to all of us, nationwide, worldwide, and to all subscribers. Thank you so much talaga. And that you are still helping, and all subscriber, viewers, supporters, even they are not social media. So thank you worldwide for our journey. Thank you so much.